Okay, cool. Thank you. How's yours?
It's good.
It's done? Okay. That was really sarcastic, but okay. These guys have a little surprise in them. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see it? No, because you're not focusing like a good camera should. Had a Target run. Brought the bag. This is the only thing I got. This is like, I haven't had like a fried chicken dinner like this before. But okay.
Really?
Nuh-uh. This is Japanese. It's like different from the Korean and American ones.
They have collard greens?
Yeah. It's like dashi. Oh, endurance.
Endurance?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, how do we do about this one?
I think, yeah, you would just have to piece it together by hand and then put it on the sheet. Cut hearts out of those. It's not focusing. Oh, there it is. Now it focuses. No, I can't have some. I'm sorry. It's not good for you. It's not good for me either. It looks alright. We have a lot of stuff that we got in the mail and I have been meaning to film a video of myself opening it. First things first, I'm the realist. Let's look at this BoxyCharm box. I guess expectations for this based on my past two BoxyCharm boxes is that there will be a palette of some sort, whether that's for skin or eyeshadow, and skin being highlighter, bronzer, you know, blush, sort of contour materials, or a palette for eyeshadow. And I also expect there to be a lip product, and I expect there to be products that are high-end, and I expect there to be maybe a vegan or cruelty-free product. I've always appreciated that with these boxes because I could look into those brands and do some more research on them. God, you guys get to see it before I do. What does it look like? Does it look cool? This guy has acacia Senegal tree extract to help set your lashes basically in place and lock them into that curl. I've always wondered what it's like to have one of these, and now that I have one, I'm quite keen on trying it. This is a gel, and its job is to lock in moisture on your body. Apparently there are hints of coconut, toasted praline, and a vanilla latte, like scented in. This guy is supposed to hold your makeup using green tea and collagen, which are, can you smell it? So this guy is supposed to have like, it's supposed to make your face shine, but like make it look velvety smooth as well, that shining part, which I find pretty interesting. I've never used an eyeshadow pencil before, so I'm pretty excited to try this one out. Apparently it glides on and then you dab it, I guess. I did get a couple of other things in the mail, and they are Disney pins. This is the week 3, 30th anniversary Disney store pins. Lion King, Pocahontas, and the Hunchback of Notre Dame. I love Disney pins, so they're always like a nice treat to like get myself when I feel like I deserve them. This is week 5, designed by Kristen Campbell. Monsters Inc., Fantasia, and one of my favorites, Lilo and Stitch. I like this one of Roz. I don't think you get a lot of Roz at all, a lot of Disney pins at all. And so to have the Monsters Inc. one dedicated to her is just like, this is pretty funny. But yeah, the lighting has changed for sure, because I've been talking for a bit. that's the end of this little makeup Disney pin haul. And on to the rest of this vlog. I'll just add this to it because this cat cafe is so cute. And the best part is that it's mobile. Janet's Cat Cafe. It's so cool. If you want to follow her, you know what to do. Oh my goodness.
I was like, fuck, I'm hella loud. Because like I'm wearing like boots, so I was like, I'm hella loud. Like I just felt like I was really loud. And everything was really cool.
Well, I'm wearing a Christmas sweater, so. So I'm at, where am I at?
Choice Music LA.
This is like the K-pop store
Oh, thank
in LA.
you.
Yeah. They're super busy right now, but there's good stuff inside, so you should come by. See ya, Phil.
Choice Music LA. We're located on the 3rd floor of Koreatown Galleria. For all you K-pop fans that are in need of K-pop merchandise or albums, we're right here. Check us out.
Yep, I was just like, one hoser bias.
Are these real?
Thanks, Stacy, by the way.
Oh my god!
That's how Cindy says God, by the way. She goes like, God.
God.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god! Wait.
You haven't even opened the CD yet.
Oh my god! I don't even need to. Take a look around in my room while you wait.
It doesn't look like you're a Monsta X fan yet.
I mean, on this side, I'm developing you.
I know.
How does this? Here we go. Da 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 da. Ah! Oh my god! I got the groups up. Oh my god! Cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. See, they give you so many. So it's gonna be 6 total here, and then 2 vertical ones there, and then it's gonna like diagonally go up. So I'm gonna have like the miscellaneous posters up there somewhere, and then it's gonna be full and beautiful. There's a spider in the corner. Would you mind if I post it? No. Okay.
Oh, shake.
The morning, I just woke up.
What are we doing today? Can you tell me? Tell me?
We have a surprise. But like, specifically because we didn't get to do it the last 3 times we came in here. 3 times, I lost count. Oh, this is really good.
Is it good? That's good. It was, yeah, I saw the ingredients. I was like, I kind of want to try making
I forgot what's in it, but
it's strawberry, banana, basil, agave.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up there. Is it? What? Just that thin strip. Yeah. Oh.
Guys, this is the best shot ever. Everyone was just like, we're gonna surprise you with a place to go where we're going. And you guys haven't been here yet.
No.
What is it? I don't know. The sun doesn't feel like a shell, but it's like compared it to like the mussel shell. It doesn't feel the same, but it just looks like it.
No, not her.
Cindy was like, the sun is setting, and then he was like, I'm not done yet though. I'm not done. What's up? Hi. This'll work. I think that's funny how he said, I don't want to be in this video, we just want to play. Let's pan out a bit. What's up? I already read the first line, it's better than sex with Scar.